So I 3D printed this case for the speaker phat. I had this case over here, but it didn't let me use it with the speaker phat, so I 3D printed this one. It's a two-part case, just like this one in, and then just like this other one here, and it has this little peg thingy that I built on it. So just gotta push it in. And then you can glue it together, and it still has the openings for the mouse. I think it's a little off actually. I might have to go back and fix it. I think it needs a little more room, because you see that over here. So this is test print number 1, I guess, because I'm not too happy with it. That's the thing about 3D printing, you have to do more than one prototypes. So I'll check out the next one.